Okay guys, we'll see today about our AR educational simulation book here. Okay, so we are opening it. Right now. So the Unity, we are using Unity and V4 here for this. So it is the app is opening. Okay, so okay, so this is my
right? Display. For is the for humidity. This is one. Don't need the water.
okay. এই দুইটা হচ্ছে আমার AR simulation book images that is showing our how to do the practical work. Okay, so এটা আমরা একটা দিয়ে দেখলাম, রাইট? সো এটা অটোমেটিক। আমরা এটাকে যদি সরাই ফেলি, লেটস সে the current image is that was right, so it is automatically changes. So this image is, let's say আমি মুভ করছি, সো এটা হচ্ছে কারেন্ট ইমেজ, সে ডিটেক্ট করলো, দেন হচ্ছে সেটা শো করতেছে, রাইট? the video will be played. So that's the multiple detection will done in our this system. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you.